I'm back. Today we're going to make curry. It's about 54 degrees outside. It's really, really cold, and this is a perfect time to make it. So to start, you're going to get your 2 spices, curry and garam masala. I forgot to take out my meat. Okay. I forgot to take out my ground turkey. But don't worry. First of all, you can make this dish absolutely vegetarian using cauliflower instead of meat. My granddaughter Talia is on a walk right now, and she said, Savta, don't start this without me. Oops. Okay, I just wanted to say hi, that I'm back doing recipes. I also have dance videos because while cooking, I'm also tasting, and I've put on a few pounds and I wanted to take it off. So I started doing a lot of Zumba and dancing. So also please follow me in We Dance Together in YouTube channel. So I can't wait for Talia to come back and make this recipe with me. So
hello, I am back, I guess. Okay, so today we are making a curry dish, correct?
that's right.
Hi, Mom. Okay, so first we are putting in 2 tablespoons of curry and 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala.
Okay, these are Indian spices. We're going to toast them first. We're going to make sure the saucepan is hot before we toast our spices.
Ooh, it smells good. Wooden sponge.
Right, so it's called retoasting.
We are toasting the spices, I guess.
That's right.
That's super good.
That's right.
Okay, now what do we do next?
Okay, so we'll put this aside and bring our other saucepan.
So now we are putting in this 3 tablespoons oil, and it's just me because my grandma's doing something over there. I'm gonna pour this into the pan and it's on warm, so yeah. I put 3 tablespoons of oil.
Wait till the oil is hot. And you can tell when the oil is hot when it
like bubbles?
is running. No, it doesn't need to be bubbles, but...
Now I'm putting in onion, and you need 2 onions chopped. So 2 whole onions, you need to chop them. This is how ours came.
That's right.
Now we're gonna put it inside of the bowl. You don't have to use this on a spoon, but I want to because I can. We put in all of the onions, and now do we mix it up? I have to spoon. You can't mix it.
Is it on high?
I don't know.
Okay.
Because there's no high and low thing.
Yeah, it's number 5 is the highest here. So you put 2 onions in here. You can always put 2 or 3.
Okay, but how come onions make like your eyes burn?
That's a good question.
Isn't like a chemical inside it? And like
probably. Maybe we should Google it.
Should we ask my dad?
Ask Siri or ask your dad.
That's true. He's a doctor. Hey, Mom! Or Mom. Hey, Mom! How come we like get close to onion to like stings our eyes?
Why do we cry when we chop up an onion?
Yeah. I think there's some kind of like...
We'll get that information out in a minute.
I have my theory.
What's your theory?
Okay, so I think there's like a chemical inside of the onion, like on the chemical inside of turkey that makes you go to bed.
Makes you go to bed?
Sleep, it makes you sleep turkey.
Turkey?
Oh, it makes you go to sleep because it's a chemical.
Oh, wait a minute. Are we getting the information? What is it? Why does it make you cry?
Because there's a chemical.
Hold on, Mommy's saying. Oh, so you see, you're all right. There is a chemical. I don't know about the turkey story, but there is a chemical in the onion.
Yeah, but you're saying turkey has this chemical, and when you eat it, it makes you like feel sleepy and tired. Yeah, tryptophan.
Wow, how did you know that?
Because I'm smart and I go to school.
Oh, you are so smart.
Okay, next.
Good explanation, and I'll put it up there exactly, the long name of the chemical. I just learned something. That's why I always say you always never too late to learn.
True.
There's always something to do.
Okay, but next, wait, can I put in a
So we're going to want to crystallize the onion. What I mean by that, we want to cook it so it's a little brown.
Okay.
But just before that, we are going to use we're going to put our potatoes that we diced.
So 3 potatoes diced, right?
Yes.
Let's put it in. Let's put it in.
Now the reason we're stirring, we don't want the potatoes to stick because of the starch at the bottom of our skillet. So we keep stirring.
So we have to make like a tiny hole in the middle.
Yes, and we're going to put our oil in the middle.
Should I put it in right now?
Yes, that's about a tablespoon of oil. And then we'll put our garlic.
Where's the garlic? This?
Yes, we're going to put a tablespoon of garlic in the middle. How much ginger is that?
1 tablespoon of ginger and it has to be sliced. In the middle. Now what?
And then we're going to put a tablespoon of tomato paste.
Tomato paste?
You can eyeball it. Tablespoon of...
Where?
In the middle. Tablespoon.
Like that?
Yep.
If you don't know what eyeball means, it simply means to guess.
Estimation, that's right. Okay, at this point we're going to put our toasted spices in here.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready.
And we're going to add our spices. And here we're going to mix it.
Can I try one?
No, not yet, it's still raw, the potatoes. So at this point we're going to put, if you're doing cauliflower, you would put the cauliflower now in your dish. But we're doing meat, and you know, sure. You know, I've decided in the beginning, Teddy, when you went on a walk, I was telling them that we're going to make meatballs. But you know what we decided? Just to put the meat like that, the grounded turkey, inside.
Okay, so here's our grounded turkey. I have a question. Do they have that, like, celery? I mean, cauliflower? Can they have, like, anything they want?
Yes, they can use
don't worry if you're
vegetables here.
Sure. So don't worry. If you're like a vegetarian or something, you don't have to.
Ground turkey has a high concentration of iron and protein. And so is chickpeas. Also good source of fiber too. And that's 1 can of chickpeas going in. And we're going to add 1 cup of water.
Okay, can I stir now?
Sure, now maybe it's a little bit easier with the water to stir. Good job. And then we're going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes. It's so great to have a helper here in the kitchen with me.
Hey, Tessa, tell them what I mean yesterday, all by myself.
Yesterday you made a salad all by yourself. You cut up the carrots and lettuce and what else? No. Now we're going to put the frozen peas, or you can put frozen vegetables like I have. Here, Talia, you can stir. Just put 1.5 cups of frozen veggies. I like that you're holding the handle.
Hey, cousin.
No. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut milk.
That's milk?
Coconut milk.
How is it milk though? It's not even liquidy.
It's creamy.
Smells delicious. Smells deliciously delicious.
Cook this for another 5 minutes and it should be all done.